it probably won't work very well. But this was not an issue until, I want to say it wasn't an issue until the most recent hurricane. And then it seems like I just can't do it anymore. I don't know. Bitcoin torturing me here on the live. So slow, coming down, man. Man. There we go. Touched 67.2. How's that vote going? You know what? Let's just try it. I'm going to try the short stream anyway. We're going to fire it up, guys. Let me know if you get a notification. Of course, you can stay here, but if you're on a mobile phone, feel free to watch it over there or watch it both. There we are, going live on that bad boy. The connection is bad, but oh well. Oh well. Now we're live on both. Anybody get notifications? I didn't. I don't ever get them. Can make it go by 20, please do. You came to pump your bags of DEAI and Seed World. It's okay. Good luck, man. Good luck. Shorting Sol at the moment, Dr. Crypto. Yeah, let's go into Sol while Bitcoin tortures me with this candle. Let's go to the Sol. What's happening here? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. You already entered the short? Nice. If you caught a high there, that's not so bad. That's not so bad. Man. It is. Yeah, not the greatest day for Sol. Sol does have some support below it. Nice order block on the day, 167 down to 166.3. Does look like it's reaching there. That's a pretty gnarly candle, though. Bearish engulf after closing above 171. 171. Did we have a target? Nope, we didn't have a 171 or 169 target. Still looking for 200. I'm not really shaken out by this, but man, if you caught that short earlier today, you're sitting very nicely. We still could see a back test of 162, this flat top. It did happen the day after, but I usually kind of dismiss when any pattern immediately back tests. Usually you see it come back again. Let's see what else we got here. RSI looks good. How's this week looking? I have a feeling the week is still looking strong. I might be wrong. I might be wrong. Maybe it's not looking strong. Oh, there it is. I guess we did have another. I thought we had another entry. Unfilled though. All right. Well, we were looking for 162. I'm not convinced that's what's happening. So we identified a bull flag that actually broke to the upside. Very uncommon. Don't see that happen much in the crypto world. But even price right now at 169.40, basically just back to that descending high trend. If it can find buyers here, you've back tested the descending trend. That was resistance as support. You may get a nice little pop here. If you don't hold, 162 might still fill. We did not get a fill on this. We may still look for that fill on Sol. Fill Sol. How you doing here on your other pairs? Sol versus Bitcoin. We talked about potentially a rejection from resistance. Looks like that descending high trend coming in earlier than expected. So this is not the retracement. Let's put it here. I'd still argue you're looking in the same realm. 00239, 0024. Wow. Wow, the sky's falling. The sky's falling, yet somehow Sol's still putting on ground against Ethereum. Today, the first red candle in a while. Sol, I don't know what's going to happen with Sol USD or Sol BTC, but I think that Sol ETH is going to continue to put on gains. I think we may see Solana's market cap reach half of Ethereum's market cap, maybe more. That could happen though. Sol could just grow, Ethereum could grow, or Ethereum maybe just doesn't break an all-time high and Sol does. There's a lot of different combinations there. Bitcoin dominance hitting another multi-year high, 59.3%, and Benjamin Cohen probably ecstatic today, waiting for that 60%. This has been some very slow movement on dominance, man. Not that it necessarily moves fast anyway, but holy crap, we hit 58.6% middle of September. It's been a month, and we've only managed to hit roughly 1% higher. Even though this chart has only really moved up, it's made clean back tests, clean resistances, moved to support, higher highs, higher lows. It is a very rough bet to bet down on the dominance at the moment. I'm not sure. Not sure why you would do it. Ooh, here we are. Here we are. We talked about this, said we may see a sweep of those lows. It didn't actually break, which is unsettling a little bit, but touching that intraday low, now moving back up. Not enough to get excited about, but got a breath, got a prayer here. Got a prayer that this long is not in that much trouble. Damn. Nice bull div here on our low. RSI reaching higher lows. That's a clear lower low. Yet RSI not reflecting it. That could be good. 15-minute back in bullish engulfing. But I'm still not seeing super bully signs yet. No bull div on the 15th, so that's just really low time frame. 30-minute. Ooh. Close a little bit higher, 30-minute. Hourly wick, maybe looking at a double bottom. Maybe. Man, nothing looks that good though. Nothing looks that good. What's going on, everybody? People over on the short stream. I know the connection sucks over there. How is it? Is the short stream, the vertical thin one, is it really bad? Is it skippy? It might be. My trade, no, my trade, my beautiful trade, has seen better days. Like yesterday was a better day. It was a beautiful fill. What are you doing, Bitcoin? What are you doing? Let me moon here. Keep moving up. I haven't moved my stop loss. Maybe I should. Maybe I should. I don't know. What do you guys think? Yes, get that strength. Keep moving, keep moving. Go, 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 go. All right, what else are we looking at today, boys? Make sure you're tapping the screen, subscribing. When you subscribe, this number will, in real time, roll over. I'll shout you out. Your name will pop up. It's very exciting. I know, you can barely handle it. It's Friday, and the excitement is palpable. Not really. Not actually. It's kind of chilling. I was really hoping, guys, that we would get a pump Friday. I thought the market was setting up for it. Yesterday, it looked right. And then we go live, and things are slower than we'd expect. Gold's still bullish? All right. Gold? Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I was getting a little worried about gold. I don't know if I might have been too early, man. Gold moving back to that 40-year-old trend line. Closed above. Now we have two green candles. Man, gold may have a parabolic future ahead of it. I don't know what the world looks like if gold is like moving in a parabola. What does that look like? What does that do to economies? I don't know, to be honest. I don't know what the answer is. But gold has never behaved like this, at least in my observation, my watching it. But that's because I wasn't trading in 2001 into 2011. I was a toddler. It did do this. You know, this is kind of an interesting setup here. Something interesting to talk about. Gold moved rather parabolically for many years before I started trading. Right here was when gold's first ETF was approved. It had a beautiful 10-year candle. Before then, doing almost nothing for the entirety I've known gold. And now it's spicing up again. Kind of getting vibes of that ETF approval price action. I think if it can hold this trend, and I'll show you where that trend comes from. There we go. Now we got the subscribers coming in. There we go. If it can hold this trend, it broke it. It's above it. If it can hold it, I think it becomes very parabolic. I think we see something like this happen again. Does not look like it's giving up ground on this month. 2,743. Hardly even a retrace. Like a retrace for ants. Yeesh. Yeesh. Price action. No, no. Why can't it be spicy when we stream? It's never spicy when we stream anymore. Like even this would have been more spicy. You think Onyx will get it? All right, Matrala, just for you. What in the F is that? Ooh, NY. I don't even think I have it. I don't think I have a chart for that. Ooh, Tesla. We will look at Tesla. I'll move this one up. I need to close some of these tabs. Give me a sec while I tab through them. Dollar, still strong. Goddamn. Go down, dollar. Just go down. AAVE. This is the blank one. All right. ONYX. What is this? What is this, my friend? It is on Coinbase, so I feel a little bit better looking at it. Cool. There is no, apparently there's no like aggregate history. So let's just look at Coinbase. This reminds me, oh, this is, that's not this. Wait, it's 𝐂𝐨𝐶N? We looked at this the other day. Why do you say ONYX? Because ONYX doesn't exist apparently. Take profit on that long, says Bless. You're probably right. You're probably right. I wanted it to be open though. I want to keep it open. I don't want to close it. Alerts. Bitcoin breaking down. No, Bitcoin. Damn. Yep. You're probably right. We have now hit a new low of day. I said I didn't think we were going to see a new low of day. I was wrong. Dumping. Wait, Mitrella, what's this? What's the ticker? TA for ADA? Yeah, we can look at ADA. Based Peppy. Oh, no. No, my long. No, I'm ruined. I'm ruined. Cello, what's up, Martin? We got a few people over there on the short stream. Derek, Martin, Troy, Ahmed, Johnny Carson. Told you yesterday in Discord to close it. Yeah. XCN. Yeah, we looked at this. Why is the ticker XCN if it's called Onyx? We actually looked at this like the last stream. I don't think I had very good things to say about it. I can't find it. I had TA on it. It's all right. I'm trolled. I'm trolled because I swear, not only do we have TA, I think I put positions. Here we go. I have proof that we looked at it. I just can't seem to find the chart. Let's take a look at this screenshot I took of it. We're looking at 00128. Where are we at now? We didn't quite hit 00128. No. Why does it not have the name of the chart? That'd be nice. I'm spending too much time on this. The XCN. That's right. Too many tickers, bro. There's just too many tickers. I guess there it is. All right, cool. I was like, I know we have a chart on this. Not a lot of change there. Not a lot of change from Wednesday. Still looking for that same downside target. Looking to fill that long. The 200-day rejected price last time I looked at it. There's no real update here. You probably just weren't here for this one. I don't love this chart, guys. I don't love it. It has potential crazy upside if it ever recovers to all-time highs or even close. But man, it just doesn't seem to be catching bids. Lower highs, lower lows, like maybe, that's a lower low or lower high. Maybe you're starting an uptrend here. That's why I think this long is still the play. I'm not going to play it. I don't like it. But you're basically betting that this continues, right? Everything else been putting in higher lows, higher highs. This maybe going to follow suit. If it does, you don't want to see it trade below 00118. Then you have a lower low. You're not in an uptrend. This trade makes sense. It makes sense. I'm just not convinced. I don't know anything about this coin. I'm not convinced by the chart that I want to trade it. But you guys do you. You go out there and you be your best selves. You do you. Check Bitcoin. I don't want to. I don't want to check it. All right, you guys tuned in to watch me get wrecked, and that is kind of happening, I guess. I guess that's kind of happening. What happened here? Full screen, non-full screen. There we go. Now only 500 unrealized, but closing it now is so silly, I feel like that's so silly. I should have closed it while it was up, not while it's down. How's that poll going? 53% of you think I'm wrecked. Good. Good, good. 47% say you believe. Only 155 votes. Really low engagement there. If you guys could tickle these heart buttons, the placebo buttons, like and subscribe. Let's get the engagement up. Let's get the engagement up. This is getting spicier as we sit here. I'm losing money. Show us you like it. Wow. Wow. No. No. You guys were right. Tillin also told me I should take, a few of you did. You guys are like, take some profit. I was like, never. All right. All right. We're getting there, boys. Here we are, back to the daily open. I'm not going to close it here. Not going to close it here. Not at the previous day open. Woo! Timber. This is it. Like bounce here. We talked about this in the intro. Like this is the place to hold. If you don't hold this today, my long's wrecked. My long's not going to look good. The weekend, probably see some kind of retracement, but man, I was really counting on 67.3 being the daily low. Hold up with the requests for a little bit. And we have breached the previous day low. Let's get a wick. Let's get a wick. No. No. Snoop. No. Go up. You're going the wrong way. You're supposed to go up. The crappiest part is that I did have that short open. Man, I opened the short. You can even see it here. You can see the little arrows where I changed positions. I opened the short. It was a beautiful short. We broke high. I closed it like basically break even. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. No. No. I don't know. I feel like closing it now doesn't even make sense. Broke previous day low. Man, I don't want to bitch out of this position now. Lissai, it happens. It happens. I'm not like super mad. I'm not super upset by it. I hate closing on down. I hate doing it, even though I'm in profit. I feel stupid for closing that short. All right, let's market a little bit of this. We still dropping? Like just as soon as I'm like, all right, I'll market it, I feel like it's gonna start getting green candles here. Let's give a little bit back. God, that sucks. You guys was right. I should have closed some. This is so hard for me to do. Bitches. There it is. All right, marketed. Marketed. Now it can go back up. Still have half the position open, but I probably should have just closed it. Yikes. That is quite a sell-off. I did not see this coming. Should have listened to you guys. Still not the end of the world. I'm just bitching because my long got wrecked. 66.1 on the 4-hour work. 12-hour, you hit it. All right, like if this wicks, it's still decent. Yikes. Yoikes. There we go. Now you can go back up now that I've closed some. Yep. There it is. A little bit of green. A little bit of green. That's the way the cookie crumbles, boys. That's the way the cookie crumbles. You win some, you lose some. Some of them you close it at the worst time. What's up, Ansuli Jonathan? You have to wait for 5 p.m. West Coast time. That's the true day open. That is true. That is true. Under the bridge downtown. New tether FUD. Ooh. You know, I was saying, I think a week ago. Maybe it was 2 weeks ago, that we need a new tether FUD. Dude, I think I closed out exactly at the bottom. How it goes. That's okay. It's for you guys. At least maybe it can go up now. What's the new tether? U.S. open investigation into tether. when has it not been investigated? Has there ever been a time where Tether was not being investigated? What did I do to Bitcoin chain? Well, I saved it by closing most of my long. I made it go back up. Yikes, that's so bad. I hate that I did that. I hate it. Let's see, what any alerts go off here? No. Matic did. Oh God, Matic. Why do you look so bad, Matic? Losing money live. Damn, look at it. Look at Matic. The ugliest setup on the day, now breaking low. Broke below its August low. You got support at 31 cents, but man, you got to bounce. Why does this chart look so terrible? It looked so good all throughout 22. And then just started pooping the bed, it seems like, as soon as things got bullish. Son of a bee. Could be building up some monstrous divergence, but dude, I don't know. This pattern is an omen, man. Lower highs, flat bottom. Almost always breaks the downside. All right. If it keeps going down, I won't feel stupid for closing my long. It's still up like 13%, but wow, do you see that wick? Holy crap. What's volume doing? Well, if we have a nice tether FUD, I hope we do. I hope that's real. If we have a nice tether FUD, I'm gonna be looking for entries, man. Even though I'm literally closing my long live, I'm be looking for entries. Maybe the one we've been waiting for. 63.1, 63.2. This is not a good candle. Damn. Close the day above like 66.6. It's okay, but like, I thought we were getting a pump. I woke up and I was like, I think we pumped today. Oof. All right, what can we look at? I gotta not stare at this. I'm just gonna stare at it and be like angry. What else is good? 16K long app. Just wanted to ask what time that be in Dubai. If West Coast time is 5 p.m. Anyone can help me. Point Break, 0 UTC. 0 UTC. That's what time. Whatever time it is in Dubai, I have no idea. But 0 UTC. Man. Trading on Femex, by the way. Links in the video description. Shout out to Femex. It's a good exchange. Man, this is not over. You know what? Here, for the sake of everybody, just so the chart can go back up. Long's closed. There it is. It was a W. Not as big of a W as it could have been. Lessons learned here for me. Lessons learned. When I open a hedge, I should just keep it. I should have kept that open. I got a little greedy. I thought, oh man, we're really just going to run into the end of the month. Had I kept that hedge open, I could have had most of that long still open. Should have taken some profits. Should have taken small amounts. Should have trimmed my position. What else could we have learned? Actually, you know what sucks? This is what sucks, though. We're heading back down to this weekly previous resistance was support. That was the entry for our long. It was juicy AF. What sucks, though, is closing down. Hopefully we get some green into this weekend. Closing down below that is going to be nowhere near as bullish. Nowhere near as nice. Boof. What do you think? What do you think? 63.2? I mean, we still got to get below 65 too. But we are so freaking close to that, man. We're so close. $900, that's 1.5%. And it's just dumping. Well, at least I made the right choice to close it, right? For now, until it bounces. Until it bounces like crazy in like a few percent. 66,000 Bitcoin dumping. I think that, like, comparatively to the price action we've seen recently, this is a dump. This is a dump. It's a dump day. There it is, 65.9. We're coming back to that entry. And the closing of my long now not looking as silly. Not looking quite as silly anymore. Boo. Boo, I like it when it goes up. Crimson, I missed your super chat, but we did look at Sol BTC, so I got it. I missed Dazzy Dazzes as well. I don't know why this doesn't alert me. Yeesh. Yeesh. That is a fucking hell of a dump. I was saying earlier in the stream, why doesn't it ever move while we're live? And apparently this is my fault. Apparently I've jinxed it. We can look at MicroStrategy. I like MicroStrategy. I wonder if it's dumping too. Back to that trend. I mean, we could hold this low here and things are okay. I'll feel very silly because I'll have closed my long pretty close to the bottom. Wouldn't have actually gotten stopped out. But I did it for you. Yeah. There it is, like clockwork. Like clockwork getting a little bounce. I'm not convinced though. That 5 minutes still looks like garbage. No opportunity to short there, man. Look at that high, boom, down. No bounce, nothing. Yeah, I probably closed my long at the low. I probably did. That's what I get though for trading in real time, like market ordering. Typical. Man. I said look at ADA. Let's get ADA. Oof. Watch Tom Crown get wrecked live. That's right. No, this one. Can't imagine ADA is looking too great at the moment. No, it's not. It is not looking too wonderful at this second. Below your previous month open. Bearish engulfed the month. Man. ADA's had rough times lately. Still technically at a higher low. We could still see a pump into the end of October and this still be okay. But man, start losing your lows in ADA in 25 cents. Could be calling. All of those lines went away. Bitcoin taking a little trip here during the live stream. ADA hasn't done anything in so long. It's like joining Litecoin's ranks now. Sideways forever. Son of a bitch. Well, you guys saw me do it live. There it is. I told you it was for you. It was. Okay. I saved the market. Yay. Yay. I saved it. God damn. Oh well. I mean, a win is a win. It was still a win. It just was a crappier win. 1 hour now green. All right, let's go with this instead. Instead of I close it near the bottom, we'll say I saved it. Yeah. Yay. That's savage, dude. That's absolutely savage. They came for me. Came for me. I kind of think that's it now. Yay, Tom. Exactly, Pickle. Thank you, man. Not the only one you did that to. Yeah, dude, of course. What? Why? Sharknado, why you hiding? Why you hiding? Don't hide. Don't hide. So he's a buy. Son of a bitch. What happened? I had a long. I had a long and I closed it, so now it's going back up. Just sitting here kind of stewing in it. Stewing in my wrecked niche. I don't know, maybe you accidentally hit him. I unhit him. But you hit someone. Interesting live. What's up, Amin? Yeah, I'm sitting here kind of reeling. I had a long, I closed it, then Bitcoin went up. It was in profit. It's not like I don't know, got wrecked. But I had a short open that I closed yesterday that I should have kept open. And then I closed my long and Bitcoin went like down like a little bit and then just rocketed in the last 5 minutes. Please open a long. You got a new order. I hate this number for a long though. I hate it for a long. I almost look at like a short. Bitches. How much volume was here? Pretty good volume actually. Maybe I do want to reopen and get wrecked again. Look at that 15-minute volume. That came right for me. Nah, I'm not gonna open a position because if I have one, I'm just like revenge trading it. I'm not looking for that. Oh, Friday. Coming back to support maybe. 67.2. Damn, that volume though. That is good volume. Like this hourly candle has more volume than the previous, than this one that we just watched. Has more volume, but it's only 17 minutes in. That is, yeah, that is interesting. That is interesting. Probably means I shouldn't have closed my long. Look at USD BTC chart. Well, USD BTC is just BTC USD, like upside down. The volume should be the same. My friend Philip J. Fry. You almost closed me. You're hungover, Adam. I should have been more hungover. U.S. government launches investigation into the. All right, you know what? If this is actually happening, I'm gonna do this. Let's just be a freaking chode. Not gonna make it a big one. Just open like a thowie. It's like a thows, right? There it is. Now it can go back down. Open long, just a tiny bit here. Now it can go back down. If there is tether FUD, man, that's very good. We needed a good FUD. We've needed it. We've been moving up. Our sell-offs haven't been spooky enough. Fear and greed's been sitting at like 70. Just throughout all of this, we need a little spook. Yeah, cool. A little bit long open. So small compared to the last one. Tether FUD coming in. Ooh. Look at Sol. Sol hit that bottom trend and bounced. Didn't fill though. Lame. 165, 162 is the entry. Popcat hit all-time high, fell back down. Well, nobody. Maybe you guys have asked about well. Well, actually just broke through its March high. That is kind of crazy. Probably going to reject here based on what the rest of the market's doing. But if it doesn't, man, 30 cents. Oh, well hit all-time high. That's not just March's high. That's all-time high. Wow. What is happening today, man? Holy crap. What is happening? Some coins hitting all-time high. Bitcoin just eating it. All right, well, now it's moving back up. That makes sense. That makes some sense. Right. God, that hurts. Son of a bitch. I'm hitting my vape. I don't care. Don't smoke, kids. It's not cool. That beat me up. That beat me up. What is this low? Like, what even is this? Where did it like wicked to nowhere? Didn't fill the 3 hour, didn't fill the 1 hour. Just wicked to nowhere. Then came back up. What was that? I guess it was this descending trend. It's a good response to the descending trend. I mean, I'll take that. That's bullish. Kind of mad I'm out of my $25,000 position. I'm in a $1,000 position. All the way back up. What else went off? Nothing. 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐞. Boom. Not bad. 𝐓𝐫𝐚 on the week moved back to the previous week order block. Not a bad spot to bounce. It's also on the 200 day. Good support there potentially. I didn't get a lot of alerts. It's kind of odd. Oh man. All right. Views picking up though. What's up, fam? Make sure you guys are subscribing, tapping the screen, hitting the likes, joining the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. Can watch more of me getting wrecked. See what happens right here. This was the support we were bouncing on before. Damn it, look at the volume though. Look at the volume. You take that low, you take the volume, and then tether FUD, man. We may still see a spicy end of October. Never understood why the market cares about what they do to tether. Honestly, people just get spooked. It's just this classic FUD. We've heard over and over and over again things about tether. Nothing's happened. If tether had holes, man, those holes would have you'd already see the water coming through. First time here. Do you take suggestions for shitcoins? We do. I'm probably not going to do too many. This was a little frustrating of a stream. A little bit. Close on the down. I even said it. I was like, I don't like closing on the red candles. And then I was like, well, I might as well. Might as well. Yikes. Spicy move, though. Certainly spicy move. Tons of volume. Tons and tons of volume. Higher lows, technically. Technically still a higher low here. Double top. Higher low. I think I'm going to regret closing that long. Can't FUD a DCA, or that's right. Lamo in the morning. Yup. Buy the FUD. I got FUDed? No, I didn't even know the FUD was happening. I got, damn, we broke all the levels. Might as well get out in some green. Trading in real time is dangerous, fam. Look at this day now. We talked about 66.6, did not talk about 65.8, because what even is 65.8? This isn't even a level. Didn't even, 786 retracement, sure, or whatever. Whatever. I'm not that mad. I'm frustrated though. Here we are. Back to that resistance. Breakthrough here, and man, that sell-off was a savage shakeout. But here we are on resistance. Boom, what's going to happen? Did reopen, but very tiny. Oh, did I open that bigger than I thought? I opened that bigger than I thought. All right. I thought it was a $1,000 position. I opened 10,000. Cool. Cool. I don't hate that. I don't hate it. 10,300. Right at resistance. Let's do this. For the market. For the market. Here you go. Now, why was that a $400 position? What? That should have been 4,000. Oh, well. Great. It's not my day for trading. I really should just not trade today. After that, really should just not trade. It's Friday anyway, boys. You know what? Make sure you guys have liked and subscribed. Join the Discord. We're just going to make this an early one. It's Friday. Go out and enjoy it.